There's a giveaway being held at the time of posting this video. For information regarding prizes and how to enter, please watch the video to the very end. Thank you and enjoy.
Now stay low.
Little one.
No, Aloy. Such machines are called Watchers. You must learn to avoid their gaze. If you are to survive in the wilds, I will show you.
Jeez, Whitney! Boom! Here we go! And here it is! Hypoendocrine Spinosaurus from the Isle.
Oh, that was easy. Okay. Oh my god. It looks glorious. Oh my god. The quality on this thing is amazing.
No, there is a growl in front of us. No. There is a giga. No like.
I don't like either.
Run!
Run!
From Sweet Fox Wings, we have decided to collaborate on a couple of videos. Oh, wow. Oh, this thing is beautiful. I love your little,
Run!
fingerlings.
Out! Run! Rex,
Oh, fun.
Rex, run! Oh my god!
I'm trying not to swear.
F this! S, I'm out!
What is it? Come on, Poppy. Oh, Poppy. What is this? Check that out. It's a little taco. Look at the little taco from my favorite game. I'm sure you guys don't know what my favorite game is. That is so sick. It's a replica of the Nycta Tyrannus. And it has that awesome skin too. Look at the little spots on the tail. Can you see that? Little spots. There's so much detail in this.
Hypodilo E. Alright, here you go. I love how she did the water effect too, out of the mouth. Then on it, it has the Isle logo and my logo. This is it, boys. It's been fun. Come on, do it, Rex. Do it.
They're just sliding like crazy.
This is just crazy. All these dinosaurs have players from all around the world, and I just can't believe they're here to compete for something I made. I mean, this is, sorry, I'm tearing up. This is crazy. So, listen to this celebration. Yeah, these guys are the winners of the first round. That is so cool.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Isles. This is the Isla Nublar server and it's getting quite loud right now. So this is currently an event being held for one of my trophies. This is the second event they're holding for one of my trophies.
Once upon a time, Mr. Mosasaur, Oprah Renry, and Tyrannical Simo hosted not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5 events on a single Mosa night on my lovely Isle server, Mosageddon. People who won each event were awarded points, and whoever got the most points at the end got this lovely trophy made by none other than Sweet Fox Wings. You know, the one that made me that awesome statue.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes.
So as thanks for all the support from you guys over the past year, like I'm truly grateful. I wanted to give back to you guys by holding a pretty awesome giveaway. So the prizes for this giveaway is a copy of the awesome unmatched Jurassic Park Robert Muldoon game. I've played it myself, I love it. So a copy of that plus a custom Snap Squad done by me. If by chance my Instagram reaches 10k during the holding of this contest, I'll upgrade my custom Snap Squad to a full-blown custom. So, what do you have to do to enter? All you have to do to enter is be a subscriber of my YouTube channel and a follower of my Instagram. Then comment down below your Instagram page name. Of course, you have to make sure your YouTube subscribers are visible so I can check that you are subscribed to me on YouTube. I will be checking on the winner to make sure they have followed the rules. So simply subscribe to my YouTube, follow my Instagram, then comment down below your Instagram name, and that's your chance to win. That's all you have to do. Simple as that. You must be 18 years or older to enter, and I ship worldwide. Please read the rules below just to make sure you're complying with everything and understand before entering. Thank you everyone so much for all your support over the last year, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye!